वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक ही जुमले के 4 मुख्तलिफ लेवल्स सीखेंगे। बेसिक, इंटरमीडिएट, एडवांस्ड और हाईली एडवांस्ड। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। मैं वापस आऊंगा। बेसिक, I will come back. Intermediate, I will come back soon. Advanced, I will be back in a while. Highly advanced, I will be back in a jiffy. मुझे भूख लगी है। Basic, I am hungry. Intermediate, I am feeling hungry. Advanced, I am starving. Highly advanced, I am absolutely famished. मुझे समझ नहीं आई। बेसिक, I didn't understand. Intermediate, I didn't get it. Advanced, I couldn't quite follow you. Highly advanced, that went right over my mind. वो बहुत ज़हीन है। Basic, he is intelligent. Intermediate, he is very intelligent. Advanced, he is exceptionally bright. Highly advanced, he is remarkably brilliant. मुझे खुशी हुई। Basic, I'm happy. Intermediate, I'm really happy. Advanced, I am delighted. Highly advanced, I'm absolutely thrilled. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Intermediate, be quick. Advanced, pick up the pace. Highly advanced, step on it. फिक्र ना करो। Basic, don't worry. Intermediate, it's okay. Advanced, everything will be fine. Highly advanced, put your mind at ease. वो गुस्से में है। Basic, he is angry. Intermediate, he is very angry. Advanced, he is furious. Highly advanced, he is absolutely livid. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा। Basic, I can't believe it. Intermediate, I really can't believe it. Advanced, it's hard to believe. Highly advanced, it's beyond belief. यह बहुत आसान है। Basic, it is easy. Intermediate, it is pretty easy. Advanced, it is a piece of cake. Highly advanced, it is a walk in the park. Subscribe and hit the bell icon.